Hi everyone, I'm here again, and first of all welcome to my new video tutorial in which I'm going to show you about how to use my text editor that I released in Visual Basic programming language. So first of all I'm going to run the application. This is the main interface. As you can see, the interface is very similar to the text editor of Windows. You have a lot of tabs grouped according to the function they perform, and you can also have access to these functions by shortcuts. As you can see here, uh, here to do this to do these functions, you can press some keys of the keyboard. For example, you can press Control plus C to copy some text, or Control plus X to cut some text or something. You can see in the right hand of the function sorry. And so so you will have a faster use of these functions. First of all, I'm going to open a document that I create before to see that if you save a document with some format, it will have the format will be saved also in the document. So, for example, I'm going to open this. It is in Spanish, but don't worry because hello, it is uh, proof. For example, if we save it, the format, and we go out and we open again the application, if we open this document, we can see that the format and the text was saved correctly. So here we can make a new document, but if we try to save it, sorry, if we try to cancel it or to close it without saving, it will advise us with an alert. For example, I put hello and I will try to go out. So here it asks you if you want to save the change. So if you want to save it, to save them, sorry, you can press the button green. If you don't want to save the document and you want to close the application, you can press the button red. Or if you want to cancel any edit, you can press the button don't panic, and you will go back. So I'm not going to save it. So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to save it, but with the function save as, in which you can save the document with another name or in another directory. Here in the top of the application, sorry, here in the top of the application you can see that it is the name of the document that we are editing. So if I save this document with save as with another name, for example test, and in the same folder. It doesn't matter. So if I save it, you can see that the name of the document has changed. So if I edit this document, don't the change don't will save in the document preva.txt. It will be saved in text dot txt. Then we can also print the document. We have just to select the printer and to select our preference. For example, in black and white, and we have to press the button print, and it will show you a message that it was going to print, and it will be printed. If you want to close, you can press this you can use this tab or this function. And in addition, we have the typical utilities of edition for edition the document. For example, undo and redo. For example, if we put hello, I'm making a video tutorial. I'm going to change the format to see more clearly. Here I'm going to put it in 22. So what was I doing? Okay. For example, if we delete a video and we undo with Control plus Z, we can see that it is put again. Or if we make redo with Control plus U, it will be delete again. So here we have the typical functions of cut, copy, paste and delete with this relation shortcut. If we want to search something in the document, for example, I'm going to copy this more times to see more clearly. If we want to search something, until we don't put any text into the text box, the button search won't be enabled. You can see that in the same moment that you put some text, it will be enabled, and if you delete it, it will be disabled. So for example, I'm going to search making, and it will show you all the text that it equals to the text that we have searched, sorry, and it will put in red in background. Now I'm going to replace it. For example, we put making, and I put, for example, make, to see the replace. So if I use the button replace, all the text that it equals will be replaced. We can also go to go to a line to focus a line. For example, I'm going to copy it a lot of times to have more lines. For example, I'm going to make this to see more clearly. I'm going to put it on 48. No, better. Well, don't worry. Well, you can see that I focus now to the first line, but if I use the function go to and I put the line 5, if we go again to the application, we can see that it is on the 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it focused to the 5 line. And also you can select all or press Ctrl E, and if you want to put the date that in which you make this document or in which you edit this document, you can use this function or press Ctrl F5, and you can see that the date in which you make the document or you edit the document will be appear in the beginning of the document. Well, format, if you want to change the format, you saw it before, so I'm not going to use it. And here you have a help assistant, but it's not really to help. It's just for love of it. Thank you very much for see the video, and see you again in the next video tutorial.